Next group is cash conversion cycle. Again, that's inventory, receivables, and payables. We'll go inside Excel and do those calculations. All right, let's look at cash conversion. The first is, what are the average collection period? How long does it take us to get money from our customers? The formula is accounts receivable divided by the average daily sales. So we have a total receivables divided by average daily sales equals how many days it takes us to collect our receivables. Let's do this one from scratch. Receivables divided by, open parens, the revenues divided by 365 to get daily sales. And the answer is 34 days. Normal commercial terms is 30. So for them to be at 34, sounds okay. A lot of people make it a game of how slowly they can pay us, so that Intel being at about 30 shows pretty strong collections. Next is days in inventory. This is how long does inventory stick around before you could sell it. And that's the simple interpretation. Again, the formula, inventory divided by, open parens, costs of goods sold divided by 365. The answer there is 97.65. It takes us about 97 days to sell inventory. That's not very good. So we went from 107 down to 97. Oh, I guess that 97 doesn't look so bad. So it seems like a long time that it takes us over 3 months to sell our inventory, but it was worse before, because we went from 107 days to 97 days, an improvement of 10 days. Again, little numbers make big differences with big companies. So that's substantial and worthy of patting on the back. Next is days payable outstanding, which is how long do vendors allow us to pay them. And the longer they allow us to pay them, the more cash we have. The faster they want to get paid, the less cash we have. So we want this number big. Accounts payable divided by cost of goods sold divided by 365, close parens, enter. So the answer is 51.48, which means about 2 months. A little less than 2 months is how long it takes us to pay our bills at Intel. And that went from 45. So we're actually stretching out our payment a little bit more. And that effect would have the impact on the overall CCC. The overall CCC is equal to the days to collect plus the days to sell minus the time our vendors give us to pay them. The answer is 80.8. We'll copy that. And it went from 95 to 80.8, which is a little bit concerning because it takes us quite a few months to get our money turned around. This is not fast. I understand it, that this business might be complex to manufacture in high quantities and sell. That slow amount of time to sell inventory is causing us to have pretty long CCCs, cash conversion cycles. And it was mitigated by fairly generous vendors that allow us to pay them in more than a month. But bottom line is it takes us 80 days to complete a cycle now, and took us 95 days to complete it the year before. So we have improved. It's just still a little bit high.